Good morning. Today is Friday, May 8th, and we are going to continue decomposing numbers within 10 using our number bonds. So I'm going to pull up our worksheet and we'll work on it together. All right, our worksheet today says write a number bond to match the domino. So the first thing that we do is we always start with our number bond, and you're going to find part, whole. Your whole number is the big number that's all by itself. Can you find which circle will be your whole number? Yep, the one with the 10. So you go ahead and write your W for your whole, and 5 is a part, and the blank one's a part. So look at the domino right next to the number bond, right here. It's saying that our whole number is the number 10. So you should go back and count to make sure there are 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, it says that on the top part, there are 5 dots. So you're going to look at the domino where the line is. And on the top, it's saying that there are 5 dots. See if that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they wrote that number right here. And on the bottom, it's blank. We have to look to see how many dots are on the bottom. And we're going to write that number right here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So this number bond is telling us that there were 5 dots on the top, 5 dots on the bottom, and 10 dots all together. Let's see if you can do one of the next ones. Erase this. Confuse you. Let's look over at this one right here. All right, first thing we need to do is find part, whole. So go ahead, see if you can figure out which circle is the whole number, the big number that's all by itself. Yep, up here. That is our whole number, so go ahead and write your W. And then it has 2 lines coming from it, so this must be our part. Okay, so it's telling us that the 7 is the big whole number. We need to count our domino to make sure that it has 7 dots. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, that matches. So we're all set there. Now we have to find our parts. So the first thing you're going to do is look at the very top. How many dots do you see there? 1. So go ahead, that's our first part. Put in a number 1 in your number bond. Now you're going to look at the bottom of the domino. And how many dots do you see there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's your second part. So it's saying that 1 and 6 gives you 7. Let's check with our fingers. Remember, mathematicians use tools to help them find out the numbers, and your fingers are tools. So go ahead, count 1, it's our first part, and 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I have 7 all together? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, that works. All right, let's go to the next one. So look at your number bond. First thing we need to do is find out where our whole number goes. It's the circle by itself that has the 2 stems sticking out of it. So I can see this one is by himself, and it has 1, 2. Do you see that? The other circles don't have 2 lines sticking out of it. They only have 1, 1, 1. This one has 1, 2. So you're going to go ahead, put your W where your whole number will go. Ooh. And your P for part and part. And we need to find our whole number. The whole number is how many dots are all together, the big number. So go ahead and count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 is our whole number. All right, the first part is the top of the domino right here. So we need to count how many dots we see at the top. 1, 2, 3. You go ahead and write that right there. That's your first part. And then we're going to count the bottom. So look down here. This is our next part. Count those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can write it right next to it. All right, so this number bond is showing us that 3 dots on the top and 7 dots on the bottom show us 10 dots altogether. Let's check with our fingers. So we have, let's start with our big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots on the bottom, and then 3 dots on the top. 1, 2, 3. Does that make 10? Yeah, we have 10 fingers. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next problem. All right, we're looking right here. You need to find part, part, whole. See if you could do it. Did you find the whole number? The circle by himself, his 2 sticks coming out. And your part. Remember, the whole number is the big number, all the dots you have all together. So go ahead and count all the dots in that domino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your 10 in your whole number circle. Now we need to count the dots on the top of our domino right here, because that's going to be our first part. So go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make that in your first part over here. And now you're going to look at the bottom of the domino there and count those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's your second part. Let's check with our fingers. So if we have, let's start with our big number on the bottom, 6. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. And we put 4 more dots in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that give me 10? Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It works. And we have one more on this page. So we're looking right down here. Find your part, part, whole. Good, so the whole number should be by itself with its 2 stems, lines coming out, your part, and your part. I'm going to tell you, you count the whole number first. How many dots are all together on the domino? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 as our whole number once again. Now, we're going to look at the top. How many dots do you see there? 2. Should be nice and easy. 2 dots. When you look at the bottom, Count how many dots you see on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's your second part. Now, this is showing us that 10 is our whole number up top, and it can be broken into 2 and then 8. So 2 is on this side, 8 is on this side. Let's count with our big number first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I add 2 more fingers, I should get 10. Let's see, 1, 2. Do I have 10 fingers up now? Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And over here, it says on the back of your paper, draw one of the dominoes in a blank number bun. Pretend you are the teacher and ask an adult at home to fill it in. So you're going to do that. You're going to make your own domino, just like this. Watch, I'll do one right here. I'm going to pretend that I'm making this domino. And I'm going to put a line, and I'm drawing some dots on the top. And I'm drawing some dots on the bottom. And then make your own number bond. Put my whole number up top, my parts. If I was going to count my dots, I would see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is my big whole number. And then I would need to go count the top dots, which there are 1, 2. And then I would count the bottom, which I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just like that, I made my own number bond. And I can check it. If I have 7 as my whole number, I have, let's see, 2 on the bottom, 1, 2, and 5 more on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, altogether, if I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So you're going to do that just like I did, except you can use your own numbers. You're going to make your own domino, and you can make your own number bond. And next week, we'll keep doing number bonds, except we're going to use some bigger numbers. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.